One TV special report.
Thank you, Madam Chair. A joint motion approving a resolution, the seminar activity relative to the implementation of Republic Act number 11976, otherwise known as the Ease of Paying Taxes Act on 23 May 2024 by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, Osamis City, Revenue Osamis in Osamis City. I move to pass this resolution in the first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Honorable Lau is passing a resolution approving the seminar activity relative to the implementation of Republic Act RA number 11976, otherwise known as the Ease of Paying Taxes Act on 23 May 2024 by the Bureau of Internal Revenue in Osamis City. For first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the importance of this seminar activity relative to the implementation of the Republic Act number 11976, otherwise known as the Ease of Paying Taxes, I move to pass this resolution, Madam Chair, for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Madam Chair.
Considering the need of this resolution, a resolution approving the seminar activity relative to the implementation of Republic Act RA number 11976, otherwise known as Ease of Paying Taxes. The Honorable Lau is passing this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comments or reaction? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 2, a resolution authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Attorney Henry N.D.F. Poina Jr. to enter into and sign in behalf of the City Government of Osamis the service contract agreement with Osamis Manila Transport Express Corporation, Land Transportation Purchasing and Regulatory Board, and Infinite 8 Solution Services Incorporated Republic Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. And I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Public Transportation, Honorable Archie Romero, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Archie Romero, you are hereby recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass a resolution authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Attorney Henry N.D.F. Waminal Jr. to enter into and sign in behalf of the City Government of Osamis the service contract agreement with Osamis Manila Transport Express Corporation, Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, LTFRB, and Infinite 8 Solution Service Incorporated for the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. Madam Chair, passing this for first reading with reservation.
So there's a manifestation from Honorable Romero, a resolution authorizing the Honorable City Mayor Attorney Henry N.D.F. Waminal Jr. to enter into and sign in behalf of the City Government of Osamis the service contract agreement with the Osamis Tudela Transport Express Corporation, Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, LTFRB, and Infinite 8 Solution Services Incorporated for the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. For first reading with reservation, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Since in the interest of public service, Madam Chair, the LGU is mandated under LTFRB Memorandum Circular Number 2024-006 to act as a co-implementer of the program within their respective jurisdiction, Madam Chair. For this, Madam Chair, I move to pass this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the need of this resolution, Honorable Archie Romero is passing this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment or reaction? Hearing none, Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Approving session number 3, resolution authorizing the local executive to enter into a contract for the rehabilitation of irrigation canal at Barangay Quinoma Norte, Samin City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction, repair, and improvement of local barangay water supply systems program of 20% Development Fund of 2024. I now yield to Chairman of the Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure, Honorable Salo Salvador, to introduce and recommend action on this item. Honorable Chair.
Honorable Saulo Salvador, the Chairman of INFRA, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the rehabilitation of irrigation canal at Barangay Quinoma Norte, Osami City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction, repair, improvement of local barangay water supply systems program of the 20% Development Fund of 2024. With this, Madam Chair, I move to pass this on first reading with reservation.
So there's a manifestation from Honorable Salvador, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the rehabilitation of irrigation canal at Barangay Quinoma Norte, Osami City, and perform all acts for the implementation of the project funded from the construction, repair, improvement of the local barangay water system program of the 20% Development Fund of 2024. The Honorable Saulo Salvador is passing this for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Madam Chair, for the interest of the public service and the urgency of this project to be implemented, I move to pass this resolution on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules on joint motion. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Due to the need of this resolution, the Honorable Salvador is passing this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comments? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The last but not the least, approving session number 4, is it order number 24-ACOG-04, series of 2024, an order realigning items in the provisions under the maintenance and other operating expenses of City Mayor's Office. This is the order realigns the amount of 1 million pesos from the account donations, which is declared under savings, and to be aligned to the account rehabilitation expense in the maintenance and other operating expenses of City Mayor's Office. I therefore move, Chair, to adopt and concur with this order number 24-ACOG-04 for approval on the first reading by reservations, Chair.
There's a manifestation from our majority floor leader to adopt and concur this executive order number 24 HFOJ-04 series of 2024, an order realigning items in the appropriations under the maintenance and other operating expenses of the City Mayor's Office. For first reading with reservation, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In the interest of public service and to espouse sound fiscal management, I move on this motion to concur and adopt order number 24-ACOG-04, realigning items from the account donations to the account representation expense in the amount of 1 million for approval, second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Chair.
Due to the need and in the interest of public service, as being manifested or stated by our majority floor leader, that this executive order number 24 HFOJ-04 series of 2024, our majority floor leader is moving this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comments? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 2, basis for third reading, an ordinance prescribing the issuance of certificate of conformity by the Philippine National Police, PNP, as an operational requirement for the manufacture and distribution, whether wholesale or retail, of PNP uniforms, insignias, and other accoutrements, and providing for corresponding penalties for non-compliance. Honorable Chair, we have approved this in the first reading, and we subsequently conducted a joint committee hearing and public hearing on this ordinance. And last regular session, we approved this on the second reading after approval of the committee report. So, this is now for third reading. I move the motion to approve this ordinance prescribing the issuance of a certificate of conformity by the Philippine National Police, PNP, as an operational requirement for the manufacture and distribution, whether wholesale or retail, or PNP uniforms, insignias, and other accoutrements, and providing for corresponding penalties for non-compliance for approval on the third reading of the motion.
The majority floor leader is passing this for third reading. An ordinance prescribing the issuance of a certificate of conformity by the Philippine National Police as an operational requirement for the manufacture and distribution, whether wholesale or retail, of PNP uniforms, insignias, and other accoutrements, and providing for corresponding penalties for non-compliance. For third reading, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this juncture, may we now have the pleasure and privilege to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Diggy Suiso, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Suiso, you are recognized by the Chair for
Thank you
PCL
very-
matters.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. For the PCL upcoming PCL Congress, which was also suggested by the DALG, that we were going to have our PCL Congress for Misamis Occidental Councilors this coming third week of July, and we are required to pay a registration fee, and that includes our kits, jackets, as well as the one-day seminar at Clarin Aya Hotel, Misamis Occidental. Communications will follow, and I will be also updating you on the approved communications coming from the Office of the Governor. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
How much is the registration, Honorable Suiso?
During the said meeting, we will be having 3,500 registration, but it will be up to the Governor if what would be the final registration fee for the upcoming PCL Congress. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso.
Do we have the specific date on July?
They are still reserving it on the third week of July. Probably, if that will be pushed through, I think it will be on the Saturday, third week of July, because it's a one-day event. They're still finalizing the schedule as well as the venue for the PCL Congress. Thank you very much.
Third week or third week? June. Okay. Noted, Honorable Suiso. Thank you for your information.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on SK matters from Honorable John Phil Denon de Longsa, Honorable Chair.
Honorable John Phil, you are hereby recognized by the Chair for your SK matters.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK Matters, atong gidiscourage karon ang ato ang mga SK chairpersons, especially katong ongoing ang Summer League and then bisag mga fiesta activities nga mag-conduct sila sa mga online tournament, Madam Chair, kay sometimes ang mga SK chairpersons nalimot ba nga tawag aning
dili unta kaangay magkandak og mga online tournaments such as Mobile Legend, COD, and katubitaw sa bato Clash of Clans bato, because the DILG officer Sir Edgel Vedra informed me about that, kay doon na siya nabantayan nga uban nga mga barangay, yung mga SK, and then maunang karon ato lang gyapon silang gi-remind to please dili na taon nila na buhaton ingon ana nga mga activity kay murag ma-useless after all, gamit ang kwarta, and then after all walay kapaingnan. And then so far so good ang response ato ang mga kauban ng mga SK chairpersons. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable John Phil. So, Konsehal John Phil, bali na ay mga barangay na nag-conduct og mga online games.
Yes, Madam Chair. Actually, doon na barangay nga nakakandak, and then karon latest, doon na barangay nga napugnan.
Mas maayo na imuhag yung gi-monitor kay
Thank you, Madam Chair.
gi-discourage magyud na gyud even sa school kay murag makabuang ng mga online games. So, thank you for your effort na imog yung gi-monitor ang imuhang mga SK chairperson. Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. At this juncture, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Mulalion, Honorable Sir.
Honorable Moralion, you are acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you again, Majority Floor, Madam Chair. Kabahay na itong sa gala and litapan sa tubig. Kita sa tagsan ako sa istorya ganina, yun na ako si Kapitan Aluhisa sa gala. Ang nangutana ko niya, unsa ka kusga ang tubig gikan sa barangay Gala, and pila ka barangay ang gikuan ani gitagaan ani tubiga. So naa daw siya 6 ka barangay nga tagaan ang tubiga, and nag-scheduling sila. So wato pag istorya namo nangutana po kunya nakabalo ba ka nga nanapoy kitang tangan o tubo dito sa litapan ni Kapitan. So niingon siya nga murag wala naman. So sunod na kong istorya si Konsehal Eliacone. Nangutan na kong Konsehal Eliacone, paghuman sa hearing diri, nangamusta ko niya, kumusta ang hearing, paghuman sa hearing, unsa ang ilahang plaster po dito sa litapan. So na sila personal nga bikil daw sa Kapitan, pero sa karon daw ang tubig wala man po daw wala naman po dilabti. So last nga gistorya nako, sila nang tulo ni Kapitan Neba, si Aluhisa and si Konsehal. So ako silang giklaro nga nganong na may istorya nga gitang tangan karon kamon tulo nanon mo diri. So unsa man gid ka tinuod. So niya na si Kapitan niya wala na may gitang tangan. So Kap, ayaw na tog usba kay mahimo kang bayas. Ikaw gyapon mahimong dautan. O nakay tangan tulo ka tawo, then ang sobra nga 97 ka box sa 100 ka box bayas jud ka. So unsa nga wala naman nagpasagi kog letter dito sa City Council, then sa DILG daw nga nagpasalamat sila sa dali nga action na hitabo. So natural gid nga mag-request po sila, pwede po sila dadaan dito o ganing tawag ganing fire truck. Tungod kay ang tubig nila dito gikan sa alas 7 sa gabi padulong sa alas 9:30 sa gabi, ayha pa sila maka-distribute sa mga tao. And kuan pagid na sa pag alas 9:30 sa gabi maka-distribute sila og tulo ka purok 1, purok 4 ug purok 5. So naman sila unom ka purok. So pagkahurot sa tubig, mahurot sa purok 1 ug purok 4 ug purok 5 mo kuan na pod, magkarga na pod sa tangke og isa ka oras, ayha na pod i-distribute sa laing purok. So magbilar gid sila dito. So mo to nga murag sakto ra pod niya dadaan gid sila samot nagnay kalihukan. Siyempre daghan pod ang magasto. So gamit gid ang tubig mo nang dadaan gid sila og kuan dito, fire truck para dungag suporta sila. And sa akong nakita, wala na may bikilid do, maayo man ang paghuman sa hearing, maayo gid ang resulta. So, thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor.
So right after the investigation, so okay na ang tanan kap, nakakuha na gyud og tubig.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your vital information, Kapitan Giancarlo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Thank you, Honorable Carlo Morayon. At this juncture, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people, Honorable Bae Relinda Bation, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Bae Relinda, for your indigenous, our IPMR representative, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. None for now, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I would like to remind everybody for our ACP, our hearing, Joint Committee hearing on ACP on 3 applications this coming May 23. Kaya wala man si Honorable mo, si Honorable Ko. On May 23 at 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon, the office of the City Vice Mayor, it will be an executive Joint Committee hearing, Honorable Chair.
So informing everyone for our joint committee hearing this coming May 23 at Vice Mayor's office
Vice Mayor's office.
for our
Executive
SUP.
Joint Committee hearing. I now yield to my colleagues for any important announcements or any material and relevant information we wish to bring forth before this body, Honorable Chair. No invitations for the pista. I am now bound to proceed with my most ambitious task. I move to adjourn the regular session, Honorable Chair.